I'm Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House, and I am just unboxing a new product, and it is our new multi-purpose steam cleaner. So I had an event tonight, and it was a successful event, and I'm noticing that our table runners are really wrinkly. So I figured after the event, I'm going to actually try our new multi-purpose steam cleaner, as you can see in the back on the television. So let's give it a try together. Best way to figure it out, right? So I'm actually going to try this multi-purpose steam cleaner as a steamer to see if I can get the wrinkles out. I mean, first of all, you can see how big it is, right? I love how long the handle is. So when you're doing it on your floors, when you are cleaning your hardwood floor, your ceramic floors, your wood floors, your kitchen floor, your living room floor, your bathroom floors, basically, when you are cleaning your floors, look at this. It could be somebody really tall and they'll have no issues going back and forth to clean the floors, okay? It comes with all the different cloths to do all the cleaning, okay? But what I'm actually excited about is you push this button here and it pops out for a hand steamer. Look at that, isn't that cool? The other cool thing too is that this pushes and this stores in your closet or over in the corner easy, right? And this is the bottom, so you can put all those different cloths on the bottom, okay? It has this button here that you push it with your foot to give it a faster steam burst of hot. It is actually 1,500 watts of power to steam out any of those really deep stains that you might have on your rug. Yes, it steams out your rugs, gets the chemicals out, everything. As you can see by the video behind me. It's on the rug right now. Let's put this over here. Yep, sealed hardwood floors, marble, granite, it does it all. All right, so here is the handheld piece. I love it. It has 3 different settings. Most of the time, you're just going to use the first setting because it's powerful enough just to use that setting. You can use regular tap water. If you do have hard water, they suggest using distilled water. So all I'm going to do is open this up. And then I'm going to just open this and pour some water in. This comes with all the pieces to actually clean your home, which is amazing. You can actually clean your kitchen, your bathroom, your living room, all the rooms in your house. Think about the stubborn stains in your shower that haven't been able to get clean. With 1,500 watts of power of steam coming out, it's going to be no issues cleaning it. I'm just wiping it down. It also tells you you want to use water only. You don't want to put any chemicals in it at all. And it tells you right on the side, it says use water only. Do not add any cleaning chemicals or fragrance, okay? And the great thing about this is that you don't need any chemicals at all because the steam is going to clean for you. And I'm going to just push it right in there. Okay. And you want to make sure that this piece here is in the water because that's actually going to heat it up. And then what you're going to do, let's see. So that turns it off. That puts it on. And see how it's heating up right now. Okay, I'm going to give it a minute to heat up. I want to steam my runner. I'm actually going to use this piece here, and it has the connection here, but I do need the extension to connect it all together. Handheld steamer is ideal portable cleaner for use on wood surfaces, countertops, sinks, windows, mirrors, tiles, as well as spot cleaning on the floors, carpets, and rugs. Use your handheld steamer to clean your windows, glass, and mirrors without leaving streaks and smears. The garment steamer attachment relaxes the fabric so wrinkles simply disappear. That's what I need. It also helps remove stains and body odors. The handheld steamer is designed to thoroughly clean and help sanitize many of the surfaces in your home without harsh chemicals. Okay, so it says detach the handheld steamer by pressing the handheld. We did that. Okay. Select one of the steam power level positions. So the low steam, which is the first gear, ideal for sensitive surfaces such as garments, mattresses, pillows, upholstery, and sealed hardwood laminate. So that's the low steam. The medium steam, which is the second gear, ideal for light cleaning or plastic, granite, marble tile, windows, and mirrors. And then the high steam is the third gear, ideal for tougher stains or stainless steel, porcelain fixtures, carpets, and doormats. It says, warning, do not use the handheld steamer to clean frozen windows when outside. Temperature is below 34. Be careful when using the handheld steamer on glass, as the glass may break. So you got to be careful on that. Window cleaning. So the coral cloth, this one here, okay, that one's to clean your windows, mirrors, and glass. Okay. Install the coral cloth over the window cleaner tool. Do not cover the squeezy blade. So that's that one. And then it says, this also, the lint cloth, this one here, which is peach, slowly pass over the surface to be cleaned. The absorbent lint cloth picks up the dirt, hair loosened by the steam. This is great. Then the blue cloth, which is this one here, removes more dust and dirt with less effort, effective in cleaning stubborn smudges or spills. So we got all these tools. We just have to learn how to use them. All right. So now it says, I am going to push the little button here, that's the steamer. And see, I only pushed it one time because I only want it to be on the first function. So we're going to give it a minute. And I can already feel it getting warm. Easy blade, so that's that one. And then it says, this also, the lint cloth, this one here, which is peach, slowly pass over the surface to be cleaned. The absorbent lint cloth picks up the dirt, hair loosened by the steam. This is great. Then the blue cloth, which is this one here, removes more dust and dirt with less effort, effective in cleaning stubborn smudges or spills. So we got all these tools. We just have to learn how to use them. All right. So now it says, I am going to push the little button here, that's the steamer. And see, I only pushed it one time because I only want it to be on the first function. So we're going to give it a minute. And I can already feel it getting warm. Okay, can you see the difference? Where I steamed it and where I didn't steam it, you can tell way at the bottom where I steamed. Oh, hold on, getting the camera, Patty. So I steamed it way at the bottom where the pH is, and then up at the top you can tell I didn't steam it. Not too shabby, especially because it's my first time too. Let's see if I can do the next section. Amazing. I can steam glass my glasses. So that's one of the tools that you can use with your multi-purpose steamer. You can steam your clothes. Think about, you could possibly put it in your suitcase if you're going on a trip, right? And steam your clothes last minute. It comes with an extra filter, okay? This is the piece that you put on the bottom of the bigger part. So what you're going to do, you put this on the bottom, and you glide this across your kitchen floor, your hardwood floors, and then when you're going onto a rug, this just slides right on, and you're able to actually deodorize and clean your rug too. It just glides right over it, which is really cool. And then these pieces here are the ones that you're going to use for getting all those nooks and crannies in the shower or in your grill or the toilet area, all those nooks and crannies that you hard to reach areas. So right now, look at that. So much better. This is the one that has not been done. Look at that. That's a mess. And this is the one that has been done. Just me doing it real quickly. So this is a brand new product. It's not in the catalog as of yet, but you can get it by being a super shopper hostess right now. It retails for $400, but with a $750 order, layaway, collecting, doing a home party, or online party, you can actually get it for under $140. Plus, you earn all the other hostess rewards. We have a triple hostess program, triple hostess credits right now. There's just so much more. So reach out to me, Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House. And there's my phone number. I'll get it nice and close for you. Okay, take a screenshot of that. All right, so it's plynch196@gmail.com. Okay, so remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic evening.